In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TSB Mobile customer support through phone, chat, and email. Whether you have questions about your account, need to report a lost card, or have other banking concerns, connecting with TSB's customer support can be straightforward once you know the process. We'll guide you step by step on how to access support efficiently. First, head over to TSB Bank's official website. It's always a safe entry point for finding genuine support contacts. Once you're on the home page, look for the Help and Support option. You'll find this typically located on the top section of the website, providing you with access to a variety of support solutions. Scrolling down a bit, you'll encounter a section labeled Need Any Help? This area will often contain links and resources to various ways you can get support, including chat, phone, and email details. Here you'll also notice the option to chat via the app with TSB's Smart Agent or live chat. Keep in mind that availability times might vary, so it's wise to check these depending on your query. If you're looking for more personalized help, continue by clicking on the Contact Us link. This will direct you to a page with more details on how you can reach customer support, especially handy if you need specific assistance. For those who run a business and seek business banking support, there's also a dedicated section. Simply click on the link that says Business Customers. See our business banking contact details here. This will take you to a page that outlines how business-related queries can be directed and handled. As you navigate through these options, you might want to take note of different support hours or services to ensure you can connect efficiently. Returning to the main Contact Us page, scroll down until you reach where other contact methods are detailed. You'll find that these are categorized based on your specific needs, ranging from internet banking concerns to dealing with fraud. Among the categories, if you click on internet banking, fraud, lost or stolen cards, current accounts, or more, each will expand to reveal relevant contact options. This structure helps you find exactly what you need quickly without wading through irrelevant details. Additionally, if you have issues related to mortgages, savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, insurance, or even travel, clicking on these categories will point you to the appropriate contact information. Lastly, for those who prefer reaching out through social media, there's an option to click and find direct links to TSB's platforms like X, Facebook, or Instagram, providing another handy way to get in touch. By following these steps, you should be able to find exactly the support option that suits your needs. Whether it's a quick query or a more detailed issue, TSB's customer support team is ready to help.